In this video, I am going to show how to install Virtualbox on Kali Linux. Let's get started by opening a web browser and browse this URL and then click on download. Okay, click on Linux distribution. Kali Linux is based on Debian, so we need to download Debian current stable version of Virtualbox. Okay, download Virtualbox for latest Debian. Okay, before trying to install Virtualbox, please make sure your version of Kali Linux is up to date. Update your system. You can also upgrade your system. Okay. After a successful download, navigate to download folder. Okay, and install Virtualbox with this command sudo dpkg-i virtualbox.dev. Okay, then hit enter. If you get dependency problems, then fix this problem with this command sudo apt install -f. Hit enter, then type y to continue installation. Okay, now open Virtualbox. Virtualbox installed successfully on Kali Linux. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video.